So Wenrix's DeepFlow literally just won TravelTech Innovation of the Year, but they're losing high-value corporate buyers because their brand is totally invisible to the new AI search engines these executives are actually using. First, let's look at the AI execution gap. Corporate buyers aren't doing traditional searches anymore. They're asking AI complex questions about transitioning to NDC, the new standard for travel booking. Now, DeepFlow automates 93% of these complex tasks. But a recent audit gave Wenrix a generative engine optimization, or GEO score, of just 18 out of 100. It's kind of like building the ultimate supercar, but completely forgetting to put it on the GPS map. So how do we fix the map? That's exactly where Hordus AI steps in. Second, Hordus AI fixes this massive visibility leak. They specialize in GEO, analyzing the exact conversational prompts enterprise buyers are using. They optimize your digital footprint so AI engines actually cite you as the definitive solution, turning that lost traffic into an active B2B pipeline. So how exactly do you train an AI to recognize your brand without entirely rewriting your website? Well, that brings us right to the mechanics. Finally, we've got Hordus's three-pillar strategy. 1. Restructuring existing content into conversational, problem-solving Q&As. 2. Securing trusted third-party citations that AIs use for verification. And 3. Adding hidden technical schemas so crawlers can easily parse Wenrix's data. Seriously, a marketing strategy relying purely on traditional SEO will completely miss these conversational, pre-website queries. To win today's B2B travel market, your tech doesn't just need to work for the user, it absolutely needs to be perfectly legible to the AI engines recommending it.